Give it another kiss. That's nice. Aw.
She was we're back home together.
Yeah, he's glad. He's glad. His name is Cosmo.
I hope he said up Daddy.
Oh. Daddy will be home soon. We'll all be together soon.
It's okay.
Aw.
Hi, Georgia. We'll be nice to Cosmo.
He's being so nice. He's kissing him and said, Cosmo's so glad we're back together.
Hold on, keep hugging him. Look at me. Keep smiling.
Oh, that's a cute picture.
Come on.
I'm going to send this video to Daddy. Also, let's take a look at this homeless kitty shelter. There are the new kitty dishes. And here's the tarp and the house in there. Oh, Cosmo's in his bed. Oh boy, Jacqueline's in bed too.
I'm cold.
Oh, there goes Cosmo. Alright, end of video. There we go, second cat again. And there's one.
Hey, come back. This is my cat.
Oh, Wanda's getting frisky. Okay, say bye, Daddy.